my dear children, today we are going to discuss exercise 7.3. First question, find the area of the triangle whose vertices are ordered pair 2, 3, ordered pair -1, 0, ordered pair 2, -4. So we need to find out the area of the triangle formed by the given 3 points. The 3 points are ordered pair 2, 3, ordered pair -1, 0, ordered pair 2, -4. Let it be x1, y1, and this one is x2, y2. This is x3, y3. Now, area A is equal to half into, that formula we know, x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is our formula. Now just substitute that values. Half into x1 is 2, 2 into y2 is 0, 0 minus 4 becomes 0 plus 4 plus x2 into -1. x2 is -1, y3 is -4 and y1 is 3. So -4 minus 3 plus x3 is 2 and y1 minus y2, that is 3 minus 0. y1 minus y2 we will get it as 3 minus 0. So half into 2 into 4 8, -4 minus 3 -7, -7 into -1 is +7 plus 6 is equal to 21/2 square units. Second question. In each of the following, find the value of k for which the points are collinear. Ordered pair 7, -2, ordered pair 5, 1, ordered pair 3, k. In this question, it is given that 3 points are collinear. And if 3 points are collinear, then area of the triangle formed by that 3 points is equal to 0. Area of the triangle formed by that 3 points is equal to 0. This is our given 3 points. Let it be x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. Okay. Then since these 3 points are collinear, then area is equal to 0. And area, that formula we know, half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay, equal to 0. Area equal to 0. This half, you can take it into RHS, then that is become 0. Now just substitute the value of x1. You will get it as 7 into 1 minus k plus 5 into k plus 2 plus 3 into -2 minus 1. 3 into -2 minus 1 is equal to 0. We took this half into RHS, then half into 0. 0 into 2 you will get it as 0. Now just open this bracket, that is 7 minus 7k plus 5k plus 10 minus 9 is equal to 0. 7 plus 10, 17. 17 minus 9, 8. Minus 7k plus 5k minus 2k equal to 0. That is k is equal to 8/2 equal to 4. So if these 3 points are collinear, then the value of k is equal to 4. Now third question. Find the area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are ordered pair 0, -1, ordered pair 2, 1 and ordered pair 0, 3. Find the ratio of this area to the area of the given triangle. So in this problem, first we need to find out the midpoint of the side AB, BC and AC. So triangle A of 0, -1, B of 2, 1, C of 0, 3. This is given. Now we need to find the midpoint. First we need to find out the midpoint of the side AB, BC and AC. Let D, E, F be the midpoints of that sides. Then D, coordinate of D is equal to ordered pair midpoint formula, that is x1 plus x2 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. This is our midpoint formula. Just apply that formula. D is the midpoint of the side AB. So x1 plus x2 by 2, we will get it as 0 plus 2 by 2. 0 plus 2 by 2 comma minus 1 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to ordered pair 1 comma 0. Ordered pair 1 comma 0. So D is ordered pair 1 comma 0. Now the coordinate of E is equal to same formula. Here E is the midpoint of the side AC. So x1 plus x2 by 2, you will get it as 0 plus 0 by 2, that is 0 comma. Now y1 plus y2 minus 1 plus 3 by 2, that is 2. 2 by 2 is 1. So the coordinate of E is ordered pair 0 comma 1. Now F, that is the midpoint of the side BC. So x1 plus x2 by 2, you will get it as 2 plus 0 by 2, that is 2 by 2 1 comma 1 plus 3 by 2 4 by 2, that is 2. So the coordinate of F 1 comma 2. So we got the coordinates of D, E and F. Now we need to find out the area of the triangle DEF and area of the triangle ABC. We need to find out the area of the triangle DEF and area of the triangle ABC. Area of the triangle DEF, that same formula, half into, here x1 is 1 into y2 minus y3. y2 minus y3, 2 minus 1 plus x2 is 1, then y3 minus y1, you will get it as 1 minus 0 plus 0 into 0 minus 2. Okay, that is 1 you will get. Now area of triangle ABC is equal to half into, you will get it as 0 into 1 minus 3 plus 2 into 3 plus 1 plus 0 into minus 1 plus 1. 0 into minus 1 minus 1. That is equal to 4. Now area of triangle DEF is equal to 1. Area of triangle ABC is equal to 4. Here we need to find out the ratio. Then area of triangle DEF is to area of triangle ABC is 1 is to 4. 1 is to 4. Fourth question. Find the area of the quadrilateral whose vertices taken in order are ordered pair minus 4 comma minus 2, ordered pair minus 3 comma minus 5, ordered pair 3 comma minus 2 and ordered pair 2 comma 3. Here we have one quadrilateral. We need to find out the area of that quadrilateral. If you want to find out the area of a quadrilateral parallelogram, we need to divide that quadrilateral into two triangles. Suppose this is our quadrilateral A, B, C, D. We need to divide this quadrilateral into two triangles. The coordinates of A is given, that is minus 4 comma minus 2. B is minus 3 comma minus 5. C 3 comma minus 2 and D 2 comma 3. Okay. Now we need to find out the area of this quadrilateral ABCD. For that we are going to find out the area of the triangle ABC and area of the triangle ACD. Area of the triangle ABC and area of the triangle ACD. Now first, area of triangle ABC is equal to half into x1 is minus 4. x1 is minus 4. Minus 4 into y2 minus y3, that is minus 5. Minus 2 become plus 2 plus x2 is minus 3 into y3 minus y1, that is minus 2 minus minus 2 become plus 2 plus x3 is 3 into y1 minus y2. Minus 2 minus minus 5 is plus 5. This is equal to half into 12 plus 0 plus 9 is equal to 21 by 2. So area of triangle ABC is 21 by 2. Now area of triangle ACD. ABC is 21 by 2. Area of triangle ACD is equal to half into x1 is minus 4 into y2 minus y3, that is minus 2 minus 3 plus x2 is 3 into y3 minus y1. 3 minus minus 2 become plus 2 plus x3 is 2 into y1 minus y2, that is minus 2 minus minus 2 become plus 2. That is equal to half into 20 plus 15 plus 0, that is equal to 35 by 2. So the area of the triangle ACD is 35 by 2. Actually, we need to find out the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. So area of the quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD equal to 21 by 2 plus 35 by 2 is equal to 56 by 2 equal to 28 square units.